May I please first invite Sonia Majid ji to please come on stage in appreciation for your dedication and generous support for our beautiful event tonight. Sonia Majid, please, ladies and gentlemen, तालियों में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Please come on stage, Sir Yaqub Halali. Please come on stage to give away the precious honors for tonight's sir. Ladies and gentlemen, तालियों में कोई कंजूसी नहीं. Thank you so much, Yaqub Abdullaji, for being here, taking out your precious time and attending this function with us tonight. Thank you so very much. May I please call upon stage Ms. Arshi Ayub for your dedication and generous support to our event tonight. Ma'am, it's such a pleasure having you here with us. May I please request our makeup artist for the evening, Maria Ji, to please come forward. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. May I please request our makeup artist for this fabulous show, Mimi Mariam, to come on stage. And I now invite this fabulous lady who is rocking the show, Selma Sam. Please, इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. इन्होंने जो इस रंगीन शाम, इस खूबसूरत शाम का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया है. Thank you so much, Selma, for this fabulous show. Thank you so much. Thank you.
यहाँ से बनाओ ना स्टिल यार. हाँ वीडियो से बनाओ. हाँ बनाएंगे. वीडियो बना रहा हूँ.
Congratulations and thank you very much for all our guests who got the appreciation. Thank you very much for being here. मज़ा तो आ रहा होगा, लेकिन अब मेरे ख्याल से वक्त हो गया है. I'm not used to so many cameras. लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से आप सब लोग इन्होंने कंघी तो की है ना, तो ये सब हैं, इनके सामने खड़े हो जाइए, क्योंकि एक फोटो का कम से कम खिंचवा के जाइए आज. May I have an applause for all the photographers? Because I know it's very hard to stand and click all night long. So thank you very much. Appreciate it that you're all here.
मोहब्बत का इम्तिहान आसान नहीं होता अंजर.
अच्छा.
मोहब्बत का इम्तिहान आसान नहीं होता. प्यार सिर्फ पाने का नाम नहीं होता. मुद्दतें बीत जाती हैं किसी के इंतजार में. ये सिर्फ दो पल का काम नहीं होता. Ladies and gentlemen, without making you wait any further, let me invite the fabulous Shane Rahman with his band performance, who is going to rock this evening for sure. Thank
जी हाँ, तालियों में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Please give him a warm applause. Thank you very much.
पिक्चर बना रहे हो?
And this is Shane, together we are Sharda Band. And here we go with the first song. ऐसे जिंदा हूँ ऐ जिंदगी बिन तेरे मैं दर्द ही दर्द बाकी रहा सीने में सांस लेना पर यहाँ जीना नहीं है अब तो आदत सी है मुझको ऐसे जीने Thank you so much, Salma, for calling us out here. चाहत ऐसी है तेरी बढ़ती जाए आहट ऐसी है तेरी मुझको सताए ओ यादें गहरी हैं दिल डूब जाए और लम्हों में ये We'll keep on going. Let us know the moment you guys keep getting bored. Let us know when to stop. So here we go with it. This one goes out to all the artists and fans over here. So this was goes out for the relation between India and Pakistan. Here we go with it. You Thank you so much, guys. You have been fantastic.
May I please call upon stage Mandua ma'am. In appreciation for your dedication and support to our fabulous show tonight. Thank you so much. May I please lady walking on the stage for your appreciation for your dedication and support for our event tonight. Thank you so much for being with us today. Thank you so much. The third token of appreciation for हमारे बुजुर्ग हमारे साथ जो है Mr. Amjad to please in support of your dedication and appreciation for your effort for this show tonight. Thank you so much. और साथ में किरण संगीता जो भी मैं हूँ इस नाची को किरण संगीता कहते हैं. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the honors. May I please request you to move back to your seats, sir. It's a pleasure having you with us on the stage. Now, may I please call upon stage Ghulam Mustafa Mughal and Mudassir Chaudhary to please be on stage and do the honors for our esteemed guests for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, मुझे थोड़ी एनर्जी कम लग रही है आज की. शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका देना. तालियां 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 की वजह से नहीं हो रही है.
ऑटो पे करके देखो.
May I please request the fashion show girls to be ready backstage. May I now call upon stage Salaluddin ji to please come and take away a token of appreciation for your efforts and support for our event tonight. May I please now call upon stage Sheikh Rahman and the band for putting forward such a fabulous show for the evening. Sheikh Rahman and the band. Sheikh Shah's ready to please come upon stage and take away the token of our appreciation for the generous support to this beautiful event tonight. May I please request Mr. Hussain to come on stage and take away a token of appreciation for his generous support. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you so much.
आपने बहुत सारे शेर सुने. मुझे जवानी के दिन का एक शेर याद आया जो मैंने खुद लिखा.
अर्ज कीजिए.
वो एक जमाना था टेलीविजन पे, फिल्मों में हम लोग देखते थे प्यार मोहब्बत की कहानियाँ। कैसे मैं छोटे में था तो वो किसी और के साथ चली गई, हम देखते रह गए क्योंकि हमें इजाज़त नहीं थी ना घर से। तो उसके लिए मैंने एक शेर लिखा कि उसके दरबार पर शुरू होता है फूलों का रास्ता।
बात है।
उसके दरबार पर शुरू होता है फूलों का रास्ता। जब वो वहां से गुजर जाती है तो रह जाते हैं कांटे जिस पे मैं उसका पीछा करता हूँ। बहुत impressive। जी हाँ, ये हमारे बुजुर्गों की वजह से है क्योंकि हम लोगों को प्यार करने की इजाजत नहीं थी। दोबारा अच्छा, उसके दरबार पर शुरू होता है फूलों का रास्ता। उसके दरबार पर शुरू होता है फूलों का रास्ता। जब वो वहां से गुजर जाती है तो रह जाते हैं कांटे।
उमर भाई
May I please call upon stage Sandy to come and take a token of our love and appreciation for being such a beautiful guest for tonight, ma'am. Please, a big round of applause to the stunning lady who's walking in, sashaying in on the stage. I love what you're wearing, ma'am. So beautiful. Sandy Saxena, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the stunning lady receiving a token of love and appreciation for our generous support for this beautiful, beautiful evening. Sandy, you look beautiful, my dear. Thank you.
I'm sorry I'm being put on the spot right now, but and I'm going to speak in English, if you don't mind. It's a wonderful event. Thank you very much for having me. A lot of people have put in a lot of effort, and so I'd like to congratulate each one of you for your hard work and for the success of the event. Thank you.
May I please now call upon the stage the very beautiful Aparna Bajpai from Being She. She is Mrs. India UAE 2018 and also the CEO, brand ambassador for Mrs. India Globe. Being She is a platform to help empowerment of women. Thank you so much, Aparna. Would you like to speak something about Being She, please, so that the audience knows what we are about?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for honoring and welcoming. Thank you, Salma Sana, for this honor and the fabulous performers who performed here. As you know, my name is Aparna Bajpai and I'm the founder and owner of the platform Being She. Being She is a women enablement platform. It's a self-development through knowledge and skills and information which we share on our regular events, and this is especially for the married and mature women. So it's an initiative towards finding their own identity to live their dreams. So I hope I'll be getting all the support, the right ones from all of you over here for the future. Thank you, Salma, and thank you for the honor.
Thank you. May I please call upon stage Kamal Sethi in appreciation for your dedication and support for this beautiful evening and this fabulous event. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for this wonderful lady. तालियों में कमी नहीं आनी चाहिए. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. May I please call upon stage
माइक नहीं आ रही।
थैंक यू शर्मा साहब, आप हमेशा से बड़े अच्छे इवेंट माशाल्लाह ऑर्गेनाइज करती हैं और कुछ न कुछ करती रहती हैं। ये बड़ी अच्छी बात होती है कि ख़वातीन जो ऐसी हैं जो कम्युनिटी के लिए कोई ना कोई अपना, और ये एक अच्छा मैं समझता हूँ कि लोगों को मिलने का एक इकट्ठे करने का बहाना भी होता है और बहुत अच्छा। और आपकी कामयाबियों में कुछ भी हम आपके साथ हैं इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू।
ऑर्गेनाइजर्स के लिए बहुत सारी तालियां होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि लोगों को उनके घर से निकाल कर यहाँ लाकर उनके चेहरे पर खुशी बखेरना, जो लोगों ने अच्छे काम किए हैं उनको अप्रिशिएट करना, उसके लिए ये बेलौस खिदमत जब ये ऑर्गेनाइजर्स करते हैं तो यकीन जानिए इनके लिए दिल से दुआ निकलती है कि ये लोगों के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहटें बखेरते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you. You be seated, please. May I please call it थोड़ी कम लग रही है मुझे, रात के 10:05 है और इस तरह का माहौल में आई थिंक एनर्जी थोड़ी ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए। May I please call upon stage Mr. Shane Rahman and his band to come forward and take away a token of our love, appreciation. Clapping, clapping and more clapping. What a beautiful, beautiful performance by Shane Rahman and his teammates. Thank you so much for making this such a rocking show, Shane.
खुद ही ले लिया सब।
Thank you so very much. May I please now call upon stage Minnie Mariam, the makeup artist, to please come forward. And Mariam, what a beautiful, beautiful job you did today. A big round of applause, please, for the makeup artist who made us all look so beautiful for this show. Thank you so much, Mariam. Thank you. Thank you so much for being.
दिल यहाँ तक आएंगी ना।
the night of today, the summer Zalmay collection. Here with Centennial models, the most beautiful.
Receive their token of our love and appreciation for all the effort they have put in. Ladies and gentlemen, they have come all the way from Netherlands to put up a show here in Sharjah for your eyes only. A big round of applause to these
Yes.
bundle of energy.
On stage, Brad Rupen, and also the choreography and founder and CEO of HSC Entertainment, Seema Chedi.
Thank you so much, AJC team. You rock the show tonight, all the way from Netherlands to Sharjah. The stage is burning. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so very much. May I please call upon Miss Manisha, the showstopper, to receive her token of love and appreciation. Miss Manisha, please. You look so gorgeous tonight, my dear. A big round of applause to this beautiful lady. Thank you. Thank you so very much. May I please call upon Thank you so very much.